Hi everyone, welcome to Eden Secret. Today we are doing a wholesale order of wax melts. This particular customer wants the wax melts with all the foil and all the label and everything on, but she'd like to put her own logo on the front, which is absolutely fine. So what I've done is I've taken my logo off the front so she can pop hers, well, wherever she wants basically. All the other information is just the same. The CLP information is on the back, so I can actually put your logo onto my labels if you want, but it has to be just a simple design, such as just the name, just the letters, or if you've got a logo that's like mine, that I can actually foil, because it's the foil imaging that creates the issue. If it has a floral background with letters on, I can't do that because my printer prints with laser ink, and you have to use laser ink for the foiling machine. And if you're going to print a logo that is, say, the background is all roses with your letters in the centre, it'll just foil all of it and your letters will be kind of lost. I'll just get one of mine to show you. But if you have a logo that's like mine here, then we'll be able to foil that. That's just obviously a simple border around letters. We can do that, no problem. So she let me choose which products to go with, which fragrances. So I've gone for wood, sage and sea salt. Now this is going to add up to 52, so I need to choose two not to put in the order. For Angel Original, for Yummy, for Marshmallow Fluff, for Pink Champagne, for Love Spell, for Pumpkin Crunch, which I am absolutely in love with. As I was packing these yesterday, I have to say that I'm very happy with all my fragrances. For Pink Sugar, for Angel Wings, for Autumn Magic, for Pomegranate Noir, for Angel Aura, and for Cashmere Cream, which I think are an absolute must in any wholesale pack if you're going to choose the fragrances yourself. Right, let's get some bubble wrap, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap each one of these packs individually. Okay, so I've got 3 strips of bubble wrap here. Just lay one on top of the other. And then I'm going to need 3, 4, 12, 13 squares of bubble wrap. So let's just 1, 3, 3, 6, 9, and 12, and that's what I will wrap each different fragrance in. I'll keep the fragrances separate because I don't want them to taint each other. So I'll just take my sellotape, which I have on a special tape dispenser, and then what I'll do is I'll just pop each fragrance like so, like that, and that's how they'll go, each one just wrapped in a little parcel like that to keep them protected and keep them dry and stop them from getting knocked in anywhere. And I find bubble wrap's the best way to protect anything that's going out wholesale, because at the end of the day people need to receive products in perfect condition. Now normally if you're packing soap you would put a label on the outside of each pack to say which soap it is and the batch numbers and everything, but because these are already wrapped with labels on, we don't need to do that, because all the information the customer needs is actually on the label. If you're buying a pack without labels, then all the information that you need will be supplied in with your order. That's the cashmere cream getting packaged in there. Now for the pink sugar. And I am going to have a Christmas option for wax melts, so there'll be an option to buy these with all your Christmas fragrances, and it might make sense to add a mix, a Christmas option and regular fragrances all in together. And then we're just going to pop 2 of the wood sage and sea salt in, so that totals 50 wax melts altogether. So these are going abroad, so I'm using the heavy duty boxes from Kite Packaging here, and these are the 25 by 25 by 25 centimetre. So I'm just going to put this together now. just going to pop these wax melts in there. Got any gaps, then we need to fill them in with packing peanuts, which are excellent for stopping products moving around in your box. You just want to keep them I'm just going to lay the last 3 on the top, and so we still have some room either side, so here and at the other side, so I'm just going to fill those gaps up with packing peanuts as well. And these boxes are so tough. It's practically impossible. I shouldn't say this. It's like tempting fate, isn't it? Practically impossible that the products will get damaged in transit. And the great thing is when you're shipping with a courier, the courier shipping is so much faster. This will literally be there in 2 or 3 days. So I just like to make sure that the top and bottom seal is well and truly stuck, so that this flap is not going to pop out at all, because it's our responsibility to make sure they're packaged properly. That's not down to the courier, that's our responsibility. We hope the courier is going to look after them, and they usually do. It's very rare that products arrive broken, or that products don't arrive. I know I often say that, but yeah, it's very rare that parcels actually don't arrive, contrary to popular belief. So that's it. That's this pack of wholesale wax melts on the way to the United States. Carol, thanks so much for your order. Everybody else, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all for another video very, very soon from Eden Secret. Bye bye for now, everyone.